This is the CU Answers Innovation Center, National Center for Collaboration and Innovation, located in the heart of sunny Las Vegas, Nevada. The Innovation Center is an embodiment of what CU Answers and our CU Asterisk partners have been building toward for several decades. With our investment, we are expanding the opportunity for national participation, challenging the paradigms of what a core data processing network can mean for every financial institution and driving the power of customer-owned innovation. The Innovation Center has rooms available for your next important meeting. What better place than Las Vegas to innovate against the status quo? Whether it's hosting an event or simply using us as a home base for a day, the Innovation Center is a cooperative-owned resource for you to leverage. Need a training room for a large gathering or a boardroom for a smaller meeting? We have you covered. All room rentals have optional technology add-ons, support, and catering options if you need it.